When looking for the best virgin coconut oil, consider the following reputable brands known for their quality. Number one is Nutiva Organic Virgin Coconut Oil, and I'll leave it all in the description. Cold pressed it is, and unrefined it is. It's a popular choice for cooking and skincare. Number two, Viva Naturals Organic Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Known for its rich flavor and versatility, this oil is both cold pressed and organic. Number three, Tropical Traditions Gold Label Virgin Coconut Oil. Made from fresh coconuts and processed without heat. It's known for its high quality. Number four, Garden of Life Extra Virgin Coconut Oil. It's certified organic. It's cold pressed. This option is great for cooking and as a skin moisturizer. Oh, inside and out. Number five, Dr. Bronner's Organic Virgin Coconut Oil. Fair trade and versatile, this oil is ideal for both culinary uses and skincare. So when choosing, look for products that are organic, unrefined, and cold pressed to ensure the highest quality. Always check for certifications and read the reviews to find the best option for your needs. But with the research that I did, this is what came up.